When you were also new to programming, ever wonder how to code something like this? So the ping.10.001 and minus sign t. So they are called arguments or parameters. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to create a console application which handles arguments or parameters to be able to output the right result. So we will be creating a program that reads a file and sorts the content per line, and the output will be written in a new file. So now let's start the coding. So to start, we will create a console application. Let's just call it sort content. And next, we will read the parameter. So basically, it is the args parameter in the main method. So also, we will only have one parameter, the file name. So next, let's validate or check if the file is existing. Otherwise, let's just display an error message. So next, we will create a sorting function. So basically, it will output an array of string. So next step, we will write the output or the output file. So let's just call it output.txt. So let's just build. So let's just copy the path and open a file explorer. And let's open a command prompt and navigate to that path. So next, we will add a new file. And let's just put some random numbers here. And save. So we will now test sort content and then the parameter, the file name. So it creates the output file. So let's check. So it's working. So let's test on some words. So we just need to edit this sample txt. Save. There you go.